Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum transfer amount for Airwallex. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Airwallex is. Airwallex is a fintech company that provides a variety of financial services, including international money transfers, currency exchange, and business banking. So, what is the minimum transfer amount for Airwallex? The answer is that it depends on the currency that you are sending and the country that you are sending it to. For most currencies, the minimum transfer amount is $100. However, there are a few exceptions. For example, the minimum transfer amount for AUD is $200. If you are sending money to a country that uses a currency that is not supported by Airwallex, you will need to convert your money to a supported currency before you can send it. In addition to the minimum transfer amount, there are also fees associated with using Airwallex. These fees vary depending on the currency that you are sending and the country that you are sending it to. Here are some of the fees that you may be charged when using Airwallex. Transfer fee. This fee is charged for each transfer that you make. The amount of the fee will vary depending on the currency that you are sending and the country that you are sending it to. Exchange fee. This fee is charged if you are converting your money from one currency to another. The amount of the fee will vary depending on the currencies that you are exchanging. Processing fee. This fee is charged for processing your transfer. The amount of the fee will vary depending on the currency that you are sending. It is important to note that Airwallex also offers a number of discounts and promotions that can help you save money on your transfers. For example, if you are a new customer, you may be eligible for a discount on your first transfer. With that said, thanks for watching.